going to teach you how to embed HTML code in Weebly website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Weebly's embed tools, how to place them on your page, and how to safely add your own HTML, CSS, or JavaScript so it displays the way you expect. Start in the Weebly editor, log into your account, and choose the site you want to work on. This takes you to the drag and drop builder. If you're making a significant change, it's a good idea to work on a draft page or a hidden section first, so you can test without affecting the live site. On the left side, under the Build tab, look for the Embed code element. It's the one that looks like a pair of angle brackets. If you're not seeing it, make sure you're viewing the main list of elements in the Build area, not inside another settings panel. This is the tool that lets you bring your own code into a Weebly page. Click and drag the Embed code element onto your page. As you move it around, a blue line will show you exactly where it will land. Drop it where you want the custom content to appear. If you're planning a full-width embed, place it in a section that spans the full width of your layout, and leave a little spacing around it for a clean look. Next, click directly on the element you just placed. A small pop-up will appear with options. Choose Edit Custom HTML. This opens a text area where you'll paste your code. Now, insert your code. You can add plain HTML, include inline CSS, or even add JavaScript if your feature requires it. Stick to trusted code and secure sources to keep your site safe. If your embed includes external resources, make sure they use secure links so browsers don't block them. You can also use the alignment controls in the pop-up to position the embed left, center, or right. For precise layout control, combine alignment with your section's width and padding settings. When you're ready, click anywhere outside the element to save your changes. Weebly will render the code automatically in the editor when possible. If you're using more advanced scripts, you may not see the final result until you publish the site. Use Preview to get a quick look, and when everything seems good, publish to view it live. If something doesn't appear right away, try a hard refresh or check in a private browsing window. That's it. You've embedded custom code into your Weebly site, giving you the flexibility to add unique features exactly where you want them.